Baka makagat na kita, Mi. Okay lang po kayo. Hindi ko po ba kayo natataharangan? Baka ako na po i-post nyo eh. Ang gugwapo, nakakainis. Mark! I love you! Patayo po. Kala mo ang tangkad eh.
Mahal namin kayo, Perfect 10-liners.
Kailan nyo po dadalhin yung mga anak nyo dito?
Oh, so cute! Oh, so cute! Sino nga ba siya?
Uy!
Iba pala yun.
May mga nagtatawan. Mga witch pa.
Pengi-ilaw! Pengi-ilaw!
ร้านคำสั่งเนี่ยกูจะพาเดินไปข้างหน้าเอง
Thank you for teaching us that love, when it's patient and brave, can heal what's been broken and grow into something real and lasting.
Thank you for opening your hearts once more and allowing more people in to love you the way you truly deserve. You've come so far and we couldn't be prouder. Thank you for being our sunshine even in the darkest days. We may be few in numbers, but we'll always be the loudest cheering you on.
Buong puso namin kayong minamahal.
Wow!
He taught us not to let the past define how we treat others. That the true healing begins when we accept what's within us.
Nasa tamang tao na
He
siya.
showed us that softness and kindness are never signs of weakness, and that standing up for yourself can mean choosing peace and compassion. Watching you both grow and shine fills our hearts with joy, pride, and love. We, your Filipino T-Rocks, will always be here cheering, supporting, and loving you always and forever. Mahal namin kayo, Port Santa.
Oh!
Hi, Junior. Thank you for being the sun that always gives us light and warmth. You are deeply appreciated and loved, not just for what you do, but for who you are. Thank you for being the moon for us, glowing even through the darkest days. You may not speak often, but your warmth and love are always felt. Thank you, dear Mom. You have come so far and we are so proud of you. You may not be so many yet, but the quality of our love and support is beyond measure. We will always be by your side. Always remember, mahal namin kayo.
Buksan na mailaw. Ay,
Wag muna. Walang ilaw.
Open na ata.
Oh.
Uy, bakit kami ulong mo?
Wala kami, sorry.
Nakakaingit naman yan.
Ganda lang sa screen, no?
Ay, nakita na nila. Wow, ang ganda.
Ganda.
Perfect 10-liners on behalf of your Filipino fans. Maraming salamat at mahal namin kayo.
Can we take pictures?
Yes, for sure. But of course, before that, we have to ask, how did you feel watching that video? Were you guys surprised? Surprise ไหมกับที่แฟนๆทำให้วันนี้
ต้องขอบคุณมากเลยนะขอบคุณทุกแรงซัพพอร์ตมากสำหรับชาวผิวทั้งหลายที่รักเราได้มากขนาดนี้ครับก็ถึงแม้เราจะคุยคนละภาษาเรา
Ang cute.
ไม่เข้าใจกันแต่
Di parte ng ano,
ทุกคนมีให้เรา
Yellow Ocean.
Sino may dalawa dyan?
Sino yung nakakarami dyan? Bigyan nyo kami.
ครับก็อยากจะขอบคุณที่แบบที่ขอบคุณต่อที่เราจะห่างกันแบบไม่ค่อยได้เจอกันบ่อยมากแต่ว่าวันนี้เขาไม่รู้ว่าทุกคนรักกันน้อยมากจริง
Sabihin
เรา
ko,
ให้
hi
เรา
be.
Ako, mukha ako si Dora. Napakadami kong pinto.
Daddy! Ako bala kay Bo.
Pag nagsasalita.
I love you, Mom! Thank you so much. Thank you all of you guys. I just want to let you know that without you, we don't have us. Thank you so much also for this year and help us.
Paray pa rin yan! Yun! Yeah! Junior! 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 Junior!
Wait!
Parang kinakatay lang eh.
Mark! Sabi niya ha. Mark sabi niya.
And to everybody here,
John! Uwi na!
Gagawa na tayo ng Junior.
Gagawa na tayo ng Junior!
Iba yun, iba yun.
Tara na! Let's go!
Oh.
Wow!
Mahaba.
Happy birthday! Wow!
Namin kanina, te. Sabi ko hi.
Pag yan din yung inuwi ah! Pag
Ano?
yan, nakita ko
Ano?
nasa ano.
Ay, gano'n akalan lang. Pakita niyo yun sa live.
เราจะถ่ายรูปเซสชั่นนะคะโดยจะเริ่มจากในฝั่งของเค้กก่อนจะถ่ายรูป
Hey!
Ah, aray? Aliwanag?
Elaw mo naman, te! Elaw mo!
Mahal po kayo.
Ay, mahal ko din kayo.
Mahal ko kayo!
Oh,